Hi, my angels. How are you? Today also you are very cute and fine. Do you remember our story? Last day what teacher told you? I told everybody to read it from home. Did you read it? Okay. I think everybody read and understood our story. What was the name of our story? Pinocchio. What is the name? Pinocchio. Who was Pinocchio? He was a naughty fellow, a naughty boy. Whether he is like you? No, you are not naughty. Pinocchio was very naughty. Pinocchio was a naughty boy. What was the name of his father? What was it? Geppetto. Geppetto was the name of his father. Who made Pinocchio? Geppetto, who was a carpenter. While making toys, what happened? One toy got life and he called him Pinocchio. Remember everybody? Yeah. How many times did you read it yesterday? Who helped you to read? Your parents? Or you read it alone? Have you understood the story? The remaining part also did you read? Okay. Yesterday we told Pinocchio was very naughty, never liked to go to school. One day when he started to go to school, he told his father, "No, I won't go to school." But his father compelled him to go to school. Why you are going to school? We want to study and play with your friends. You wanted to study, you wanted to play with your friends and wanted to see your teacher, wanted to see all the playthings from school, wanted to enjoy from school. On the way to school, Pinocchio saw a puppet show and he danced with that puppet. After that, next day what happened? Pinocchio, father gave him coin and what did he do? He planted that coin. One fox and one cat cheated him. They told, if you plant it, you will get 100 tomorrow. And very happily, by singing song and all, Pinocchio went home. Next day, eagerly, Pinocchio reached the place where he planted the coin. Why? He wanted to see whether there are 100 coins. And he looked at the place, but what could he see in there? Nothing. The coin he planted also was not there. And he could understand that fox and cat cheated me. So he begins to cry from there. That much we told yesterday. Yeah. Pinocchio, what happened? Yeah. Next day he reached there and searched the coin. Pinocchio planted. Next morning he went back there. However, there was nothing. So he begins to weep. By hearing his cry, there reached a fairy. Fairy reached there. Do you know fairy? Yeah. A fairy reached there. And the fairy told, why, what happened? You are being naughty. What is happening here? Why are you crying? Yeah. Every time Pinocchio, being a naughty boy, started telling lie to the fairy. As he kept talking, his nose kept growing longer and longer. The fairy came there and fairy asked, why, my little boy, why are you crying? And he told lie to that fairy also. By telling lie, what happened? His nose began to grow taller and taller. So he afraid. Then he asked, what is this happening? Why is it so happening? My nose is growing longer and longer. And the fairy told, every time you tell a lie, your nose will grow like this. And Pinocchio told, no, I won't tell lie. Today onwards, I won't tell lie. Will you tell lie to anybody? To your parents? To your friends? No, don't tell lie. Next day, on his way to school, Pinocchio met a boy who said, come away with me to the fun island. There are toys and games. So, by hearing that only, Pinocchio decided to go. Last day also, when he saw the puppet show, what happened? He went with that puppet show. So today he saw a boy, and that boy invited him to go to the fun island. Have you ever visited a fun island? Yeah, see that you are always visiting with your parents. So what may be there? There will be rides. See, different rides will be there. Giant's wheel, swings will be there. When you have holidays, your parents will take you to go there. The fun islands. Our Pinocchio reached in a funny island. Look at here. In a funny island, there are lot of things. Then what happened? They were turning into donkeys. This was a magic island. After that, they turned into donkeys, and their ears begin to grow, and they have tail also. What happened? You imagine, if your ears begin to grow, all others will tease you, they will laugh at you, and you have tail also. Our Pinocchio and the boy had tails also. Can you imagine that? A boy had a long tail and two long ears. They became donkeys. Our poor Pinocchio, what to do? Don't you feel any sadness here? Are you happy or funny? By looking that only, what you will feel? Long ears, long nose and tail. They became donkeys. They were turning into donkeys. That was a magic island. As they wandered around, came to a circus. Have you ever gone to a circus? Yeah, did you go? What have you seen there? What are the things that you can see in a circus? Yeah, animals, dancing birds, and some other people also will dance from there. Very nice to see. Different animals will be there. Elephant, giraffe, all the animals, and some other cute puppies also will be there. So they reached into a circus. Ringmaster made Pinocchio work for the circus. Then the Pinocchio hurt his leg while doing tricks and wept. Wept means cried. Weep past tense, wept. Pinocchio began to weep. That is weep, cry, wept, cried. Why did he cry? Because he hurt his leg. Why? You have seen that in the circus somebody is doing some circus, and from there what happened? He fell down and he hurt his leg. Oh dear fairy, cried Pinocchio, I have been such a bad boy. I didn't listen to my father. I didn't go to school, and now I am turning into a donkey. I wanted to be a good boy and go home to my father. Now what happened? Our Pinocchio begins to cry. He wanted to see his father. He told. At that time, our fairy, first we had seen the fairy. That fairy reached there, and Pinocchio told, dear fairy, I want to go home. I want to see my father. Yeah, you have been very bad, but I see that you are sorry. I will take away your ears and your tail. Your father has been looking for you. Do you see a ship sailing? Do you see a ship sailing from there? Yeah, now fairy felt pathetic to him. Why? Do you feel any sadness towards our Pinocchio? Yeah, why? Our Pinocchio begins to cry from there. Nobody is there to help. Pinocchio looked the ship sailing towards him. By looking that, he could see a ship is sailing near to him. I was looking for you. There's my father. That's my father on the ship, clapped Pinocchio. I was looking for you. I'm so glad to have found you. Glad means happy. Who is glad now? I was very glad. I am very happy to see you. Who told the father? Because Pinocchio went from home and he couldn't see. So now Pinocchio's father saw him. So both of them became very happy. I was looking for you. I am so glad to have found you, Jup said. They hugged each other. Hugged each other. What does mean by hug? Your mother will hug you. Hug, embrace, hug. Hug, embrace. Your mother will embrace you when you got first in among your class, or when you during the time of your birthday, hugging. So here what happened? Father and Pinocchio begins to hug each other. Both of them sailed back home and they told that now Pinocchio told father, today onwards I will be a good boy. I shall be good from now onwards. Promised Pinocchio. Both of them sailed back home. When they reached home, Jup fell ill. Both of them sailed and reached their home. But what happened when they reached home? Jup begins to not well, he fell ill. Pinocchio fed him hot soup and looked after him. Now Pinocchio became a good boy. How was he first? He was very naughty. He talked very rudely to his father. Now he became very good one and he cooked some food, made soup, hot soup, and gave to his father. When your mother is not well, will you help your mother? Taking some water and will you give to your mother? Yeah, we should give. When you were not well, your mother will treat you well. So when your mother is not well, you should help them. You should help them. How? By taking water and give one glass of water to her. Okay? Yeah. I will go to school and work hard so that I can get a good job, said Pinocchio. You will never have to work again. Now, Pinocchio told his father, Father, today onwards I will be a good boy. So you don't work hard. I will look after you. And Pinocchio became a good boy. So Pinocchio studied hard at school. Then one day a wonderful thing happened. Blue Fairy appeared and said, Pinocchio, you are brave and kind heart. You deserve to become a real boy. Deserve, worthy of. Deserve, worthy of. Now what happened? Pinocchio's mind changed. He became a good boy. At first time he was a naughty one. He never obeyed his father. Didn't go to school, wandered aimlessly here and there, went with the friends, went with some others. Now what happened? He became a good boy. She then turned him into a little boy. Jep and Pinocchio lived together happily. Now both of them became very happy. Why? Father got his son. Who was the son? Pinocchio. And Pinocchio was a good child now. So what happened? He helped his father. He worked very hard. Why do you study? Why? You wanted to get good job. When you grown up, you want to help your parents. When you grown up, what happened? What will happen? You wanted to bring something to your parents. So study well, all of you. What you had to do? Everybody should study well. Work hard and study well. Okay, my dear? Yeah, my little angels, you will study very hard. You have to study, work hard. Then only what will happen? You will get good job. Then only you can look after your parents. How your parents are bringing something to you, like that only you should return to them. When you grown up, you should bring something and give your parents, help your parents. Okay, have you understood everything? Shall we discuss it once more? Who will tell that? Who will tell the summary of it? Okay, here what we told, Pinocchio was a naughty boy. He never went to school. He visited some other places and wandered with his friends. Then what happened? One day he reached a fun land, and from there he got so many friends. And when he says live, what happened? His nose begins to grow, ears begins to grow. He had tail also. After that, when he reached the circus manager treated him very badly, worked very hard, and now he became good students. So what you had to do, my little angels? You should be always very good. Never tell lies. Always tell the truth only. Okay? I think all of you will always say the truth only and be good children. Never be naughty. Never tell lies. Always tell the truth. Okay? Now shall we write some questions? Shall I ask something? Everybody understood it? And can you tell the answer? Yeah, very good. Now listen here. One homework I will give. What did the boy tell to Pinocchio? 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 Second one, what did the ringmaster do? What did the ringmaster do? What did the ringmaster do? The last one is, what do you understand from this lesson? What do you understand from this lesson? This lesson. What do you understand from this lesson? I think everybody understood this. Study this well. Okay? Bye. Thank you.
Audio